Alright, today's video, food review. I think it's called mukbanging. I learned that from a beauty guru channel I watch. Okay, so I don't care what I eat. I'm on a seafood diet. I see it, I eat it. I don't count anything. The only thing I count is protein grams. I try to get 1 gram per body weight, 1.5 on a good day, but it's like a job to get that much protein. My protein comes from Walmart because it's cheap. Yeah, I'm not a bodybuilder. I don't have sponsors, so I buy the cheapest protein. This one's okay, actually. The sign of a really bad protein is if it doesn't mix very well. This mixes okay for being cheap. And my creatine comes from Walmart. And then GNC, when I go to GNC, this is pretty much all I buy. It's a creatine energy drink with no sugar, so this is all I buy at GNC. And protein stuff, good marketing. I buy protein chips, and I just found this muscle protein macaroni, 20 grams of protein. That's actually not that great. I try to take in like 50 grams of protein per meal. This is a normal macaroni. How much protein is it? Only 7. Actually, that's not bad. This is 20. This has 7. So this is how I like to do it. I'm going to eat both of them. This is my... What time is it? It's like 12 o'clock. It's like 12 o'clock. I'll check out my YouTube channels here. Yeah, I wake up late. Alright, so this is the muscle macaroni. This is the normal macaroni. So this is how I eat it. I put in the packet right away. This is gourmet eating. Oh, this freaking protein macaroni is kind of expensive. It's like $3 each. But I have a pro membership, so if I buy 5 things, I get 1 thing free. So I just went ahead and picked up the muscle macaroni. Okay, here's a Kraft macaroni and cheese. I like to do that. Shake it up a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing with this. Pretty sure it's gonna taste good. I mean, how could you get macaroni wrong? I'm pretty sure they just mix in whey protein with this stuff. And that's how they get the 20 grams. So it's probably going to have a sandy texture, I'm guessing. Because the protein chips have kind of like a sandy texture. Same thing. And then I never fill it to the line because I like my macaroni to be extra cheesy. So I never go up to the line. So add some water. Okay, so just under the line is what I like to do. Okay, that's under the line. Yeah, I don't care if it's chunky, like there's cheese, like chunks in it. I actually save that part. I'm fucking weird. Okay, see a little cheese chunks in there. I like that. Tastes good. It's like a burst of cheesiness. And then same thing with this, just under the line. Right there. And then shake it up. Spill some water. Alright, so I'll microwave these for like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I discovered if I go 3 minutes with these, I kind of burn it. So 2 minutes and 30 is a sweet spot. I'll do the same with this one. Looks good. Alright. BRB, LOL. Okay, ready to eat. Here's your standard Kraft macaroni. Looks good. There you go. See where it's all like really yellow? That's the good part. That's where the cheese is all clumped up. So save that for later. Alright, now let's see. This one actually has a little more. What's the difference? 3.6 ounces for this. What's this one? Yeah, 2.05. So yeah, this one's definitely bigger. Alright, let's try this. Take a bite out of the standard Kraft macaroni first. It's good. It's macaroni. What do you expect? Okay. Now, muscle macaroni. Expensive. These are like $1.25 each at Walmart. If you buy the 8-pack, it's $8, so you save a quarter. So buy the 8-pack. Alright, this is expensive, but I bought 5 of these, and I chose this as my get one free thing. It's good. I actually like it more than Kraft macaroni. Maybe because it's expensive and I know there's a lot of protein in it. I mean, a lot more 7 or 8 versus 20. But it's good. I like it. Will I buy it again? Probably not, unless they start selling it in cases and it's a significant savings. $3 each is too much. Maybe $1.50, $2 I would buy it. But yeah, not $3. I mean, I could buy 3 of these and I would get 24 grams of protein. So yeah, if you're at GNC and you want to try it out, but $3 is not a good protein to dollar ratio in my opinion. But I had to try it since I enjoy eating this style of macaroni. So there you go. Alright, I'm going to eat my food now, have my drink. Alright everyone. Have a great, safe weekend. Wait, it's Monday. Have a great week. Happy Monday.